We're in Janesville, North Carolina, and this is the headquarters for Lee's Bees. Beekeeping, like what I'm doing, is really like a farm. We maintain around 2,000 to 3,000 colonies of honeybees. We do a lot of pollination for almonds, blueberries, squash, and watermelons, and sometimes cranberries. We rent a lot of the bees to the farmers. We also sell a lot of bees, and we produce honey that we sell at local stores. I move the bees to lots of different areas around the country. I'm a bee shepherd. When I was 13, I got my first 2 beehives. And throughout middle school and high school, I had the honeybees. And so bees were always my primary passion, but I was doing biology and chemistry for academics. In 1990, I went to Duke and just fell in love with North Carolina. I worked in pharmaceuticals about 5 years and realized that I was always going to have a boss if I stayed in chemistry. And so I sold everything I had, maxed out every credit card, took out a home equity loan, and bought bees. So I was interested in purchasing a location where I could keep bees and have a potential workshop area. And Ag Carolina was the only bank that would actually even consider lending me any money. So I've always been appreciative of that, because when I was very young in the business, they were willing to lend me money. I was looking for locations where I could make Tupelo honey. And Janesville was one of those areas. So right now behind us, we have 4 miles straight of Tupelo swamp. And the bees make the Tupelo honey in April. And it's one of the sweetest honeys available. And it's a very unique flavor to it. It's a leap of faith whenever you go into a business on your own and you're relying on an insect to pay all of your bills. If you think about it, it's sort of scary at times, but I believe God has sort of let me and groomed me for this position after all the things that I've been through in life, and I have faith that as long as I try to bring glory to God, everything will work out.